Hey, hi, mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and I am Victoria. Today is going to be a different video. See my hair? I'm going to bring you along because I need to go somewhere, and since I will not be able to film any videos for the next few days, I decided, okay, Victoria, you have 2 days to come up with. Anyways, come along with me and let's get started. Okay, guys, this is not even funny because I have to be out of here in like how many minutes? I'm not so sure. I know my hair is wet and I'm tying it up. Now I feel dizzy, but this is how I do whenever it's not even an errand. I'm supposed to go to a sewing class with a friend of mine, a colleague of mine actually. So this is it. This is how I'm going to look, and I haven't finished yet, so let's go. Okay, I just realized that I need to go to the doctor and get a motion sickness medicine because we're going to Bali next week. So I think I'm going to be late. Anyways, let's go. Vlogging by yourself makes you look like stupid because you're walking with your headphones, talking. My colleague just messaged that she too will be late, so we'll see how long the queue is in the doctor's place. And then from there, I'll decide. Although the workshop is just a few minutes from my home. So yeah. This is so bad. I'm so late. It took me around like 30 minutes to actually get my medicine. Okay, my video is so bad. Okay, so now I have to find a place. Let's see. Okay, am I even in the right street? I'm not so sure. Okay, so these are the HDB houses. I'm so late. You do know they don't honk here in Singapore, right? So, if you're vlogging and walking at the same time, you have to make sure that you look. If not, you might get banged by the... See, that's the park. Okay. So, yeah. I'll find a place and then I'll see you there. Bye. Oh my goodness, I'm walking in the main street now. Okay, I'm in the right street, but now I have to find a block. They do have numbers. Okay, 213. Good luck to me. Lost in Singapore. Singapore is such a small country, and this is so near my place. Oh my goodness. Okay, good luck. Signing off. Let's see. Okay, funny story. I got the address wrong. No wonder I'm lost. So I went to Google Maps. So I'm supposed to turn here. So good luck to me. This is the police station. Okay, found it. Found the block. So now I have to figure out how to cross without getting, So that's the block. I'm so late, as in really late, like 30 minutes late. And this place is like just a 15 minutes walk from my place. So the confusing part is some blocks, they just chop it off. So I have to go to the other side and find a lift. Victoria, you're so dead. Find the main lift and then go to the, yeah. So now I'm perspiring, which I actually hate. Okay, take 2. Fourth floor. So tired. Now I'm not even in the mood anymore. Okay, I hope I got it right. I really hope I got it right. Wish me luck. Oh my god, this is the wrong side. Okay. I do love elevators, but I don't like it when I'm kind of lost. So, yeah. Okay. I think I have to find the place first and stop vlogging. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Okay, third time. Third lift. Oh my god, 4th floor. I think there's a sign somewhere, but I just can't see it. Can you see me? I'm perspiring. I'm not even happy anymore. I really hope this is the last one. Oh my goodness. You're stupid idiot, Victoria. Wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. I found it. I found it. Okay, bye. You're so cute. Okay, I'm back home, so that's it. I'm ending the vlog now. I think it is a fruitful workshop. I can't wait to actually use this. Oh my god, my face is so oily. And can you believe it? I was the one who made this. Okay, so ending this video. If you like this type of videos wherein I try to bring you along and show you what I do an ordinary day, give this video a big thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel so that you and click that notification so you'll be notified whenever I try to upload new videos. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye.